Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy J-Mon Did It, man, and I'm back with another update. So yes, it's the second part of the series, man. This is the first video was 2 weeks in. This video is another 2 weeks in. 15 days since our last update on the 3rd after our cruise. If y'all do want to see that video and some of the content I got, man, y'all be on the lookout for that, man, because I'm telling you, it's some heat. But other than that, man, let me give y'all this update, man, and going on about my business. I think it definitely is definitive results now, but y'all let me know, man. Y'all let me know. All right, y'all, as y'all can see, we got the pyramid. And look at some of the results we got. We got cabbage. Everything is sprouted up. Butter crunch, everything is sprouted. Dinosaur kale. Collard greens. We ain't got no Tom Thumb lettuce. But our onions, though, we finally got some onion sprouts. We ain't got no yellow onion, yellow onions, but we just got some sweet onions over there. Our spinach is going crazy. There's some blue kale going crazy, man. I'm definitely liking this. Good, man. It's just, to me, I just feel like it's more sprouts on everything with the magnets than there is without. But you can see dinosaur kale going up. There's some blue kale was only one sprout. Spinach doing pretty good. Collard's doing pretty good, but oh yeah, we do got a little sprout over here for the sweet yellow onions, but that's it, man. So y'all let me know, man. We about 15 days from my last 2 week update, so you know what I mean. Right now we about 4 weeks in from seed to about now, so y'all let me know, man. This stuff working right now, man. Y'all here in Texas, we holding it down, man. I'll check back with y'all next time, though. J-Mon Did It. I'm out.